This is another Crafty Sausage video, and today I actually got some comments asking about roofs. So I previously made a video about this of a different kind of roof that was a peaked roof, but today we are going to be doing a bit more of a normal roof that you would see more often. So let me get some more supplies here, some slabs, and there we go. So I just built a little basic frame here so we can put our roof on. So this is our roof right here. And a couple things I like to do is put a bit of a hangover on the front, just like this. This can make the roof look a lot better. And you can put some stairs underneath it too. And the center one, if you have an odd number, you want to put that one facing out so that it sort of stays centered. And then just do that. And we're going to put ones here and here too. Also, when you're building a roof, so you can see here, this is sort of the door level, and then the window level, and then an extra block above. You want another block above that, which is sort of like a frame, so that way the roof can sit on this, because the next part would be to make it sort of stick out a block right here, so that it gives it a bit of overhang right there too. And if you had this too far down, it would look too close to the window. I mean, unless you were going for that kind of look, which in that case you would want to do that. But anyway, this is how I usually do my roofs, just like this, and with the slabs on the top. You can see it's already looking a lot better. But in my survival series, you might have seen how I actually put a bit of cobblestone bordering it, which is another thing I quite like to do, which just involves you turning the border, like the outside, just like this, into cobblestone. I will be right back once I finish that part of the roof. Okay, and I'm just gonna do this on the back too. Normally when you build the roof, you just want to immediately place the block that you're going to keep it with, unless you're doing a large project and you want to plan things out a little bit and see how things work. Bit of bamboo in the way. And then we want to go ahead and place this under here. Once again, the center block, if you had an odd block, place it facing out, the stair facing out like that. And then there we go. Now we have a nice little framed roof, and that looks a lot better than what we started with. Now, another thing that is sort of optional that you can do is turn the top bit, the slab or whatever ends up at the top, if it's even or odd, you can turn that like that, so that way you have two separate chunks. Normally that's done in bigger roofs where you have more space and you want to sort of chop it up a little bit more. But once you get to like houses that have like T's and stuff sort of coming off, it gets a little bit more complicated. And I can actually show an example of that quickly. So this is a copy of my YouTube survival world. It is a copy. So I've turned it to creative, and I just wanted to show you guys this right here on the house. I did a bit of a T here. And another thing you could also do, which I didn't do with this house, is you could do it like that and make the corner bits stone too, which could look cool. And over here you can see I did the other design that I was talking about, where it comes across the top here, because we have a bit more room here than on some of these other buildings. So I just wanted to chop it up a little bit more. Anyway, this is another Crafty Sausage video. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe too while you're at it. I hope you enjoyed this video.